1. So first thing we're gonna do is this hijab style first because it is the easiest. The first thing you will need is a chiffon scarf or a crinkled scarf, fabric scarf like this. So today I'll be using the chiffon scarf, and one side is going to be longer than the other. My left side is shorter and my right side is longer, and this is actually just personal preference. You can either have your left side longer if you want to have the scarf turn over on your right, but I usually tend to take photos on my right side, so I like to have this longer and I like to have it draped on my right side to my left. So the first thing you do is you grab the long side and you put it around your left shoulder. If you were to do it with the left side, all you would have to do is make this side longer, grab the left side here, and then just turn it over as well. And then I like to adjust it on the sides next to my face. And then I like to grab a safety pin, just like this. And then I just pin it right where I want it. So just there. And that is the first look. Style number 2. So for this style, you're going to need your left side to be considerably shorter than the right side. We're going to grab the edge of the scarf that's right next to my ear, and I'm going to pull it right up above my head bun. I'm going to keep it in place with a pin just like that, and then place it in my scarf. So I like to secure it in with the pin, and then I like to go in with another pin right here because this piece tends to move. So I like to secure it in place with another pin right there. And now this is the tricky part. So we grab the right piece and then you've got to bring it over your head and move it basically. So you've got the same piece and then you put it over your head just like this, and you bring it right to the front where the point is, just like this. I like to secure it with 2 pins right here and a pin at the point. I use the pins without these circles at the top, just like that, and the ones that I was using before have a ball at the top, so it's easier for me to take them out. So I put one pin here and then another pin here and then one more pin right here. So this is the second look.